Hello mga kamatinik! Hope you are all doing great. So how do we write fraction from an illustration? Let's take this pizza for our example. The first thing to do is write a horizontal line. Next, need to find the number above the horizontal line. How many slices do we see in this pizza? 2. To complete our fraction, we need to determine the number below this horizontal line. So how many slices in total that make up the pizza whole? Correct! 3. That's it mga kamatinik. See you all on the next math lesson. Bye-bye! God bless! To God be all the glory.